Hey guys, I just wanted to take a quick second. I've had a few questions about the app, the Challenge Tracker app. So I want to show you what it looks like here, and then also show you what it looks like on the phone. So when you sign into your app, all your groups will actually show up on your screen here, and you just click on the group that you're in, and it'll actually bring up here in just a minute. You have to wait for my internet, it's a little slow, but you have to here it'll bring up all the posts. So this is basically the same way you're kind of looking at it on your phone, but it shows you all the different posts in the group, and you can actually click where it says post to the group and make your own post there, so you can share different pictures and stuff also. And then also, if you hit this, that's in the group feed. If you hit this participants tab there, and I'm not sure if you can see everybody in y'all's view. This is the admin view, so you may just be able to see you in your view. I'm not exactly sure what you can see there, but when you go to that participants, you'll be able to see here, your name, your Shakeology, when you last, how many you've done, when you last posted, and all that across there. And if you actually go into you, which I'm going into me, so you can see what it looks like here. Now here you can actually see, like I can see my before picture. Now when you post a before picture, no one in that group can see it. You can only see it if you get into your profile. So you can actually see that there. And then of course you can see over here, it tells you what all you have posted. It can tell you what your goal is and what program you're using. This is all the stuff you enter when you first come in and set up your app, but it shows you everything right here. You can also, again, up at the top, look at your activity feed and anything along those lines. So if you go down to the bottom here, scroll down a little bit, there's a little calendar, and it actually shows you, when you've logged workouts and Shakeology or both. So if you have a question, if you're actually logging anything, you can go in on your computer and look. You can also go in on your phone app, and I'll show you that real quick. Let me stop screen sharing here for a second, and you'll have to give me just a minute to let me see. Let me find it real quick. There we go. Okay, so let me get into my app real quick so you can see this, I hope. So when you go into just your, can you see that? Yeah, this is the icon. When you go into your Challenge Tracker app and it loads there, so you can see I've already logged. I'm backwards. I've already logged my workout in Shakeology for the day. But in order to do that, so if you first come up, and it'll just show little blanks there, you hit this little plus sign down here at the bottom, and it actually shows you what you've logged and what you haven't logged. So, and you can do this, and you can scroll back to the other days and edit anything if you've already posted, or if you haven't posted, like if I wanted to go in and add a photo, I just click that plus, and I can take my photo and put it right in there. Or if you haven't logged a workout, or if you think you logged a workout but you put the wrong thing in there, you can just click, oops, sorry about that, guys. You can just click edit, and you can change anything. Now, so when you're posting, and then down at the bottom is where you have your picture. This little toggle here at the bottom, it's not a very good picture, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little toggle. If you hit it, then that turns off your share, so the group doesn't see it. If you toggle it to where the colors there, the blues there, that means it goes to the group. So if you happen to want to log a picture or log something you don't want to share it with the group, you can just turn that off there too. And then update, and it'll come up. So it'll show you that it's posting, and it says it's updated. So you can go in and edit anything, or you can post. And again, so if I hadn't posted anything, it would just be these blank pluses. As soon as you click that, the window comes up, and you can add anything or change anything you need to there. So, and then, so this is the home page here. So if I hit this next button here, if you see that, is the post. If I want to see all the group posts, and it shows me who else posted, and I can just go through and see everybody's posts there. You can also track, if you click on over here where the little tracker guy is, or tracker girl, it posts your activity, your weight, thoughts, your measurements, and your pictures. So all that stuff's right there together. And you can also, that's in the progress, you can also go to timeline and see what you posted on the timeline. So there's all sorts of little things there. And then if you click, say activity, if you click that, it shows you a little graph again, kind of the same thing we saw on the other one of how many workouts you posted, how many shakes you posted. So it's all there. If you ever need to edit anything, You know, you just hit edit goal and you can edit and it changes it and you can update it there. If you go back to this little button there, it'll bring you here. You can go to your groups. So if you have multiple groups, like say like at the end of this group, if you happen to have another one starting, you may actually have two groups, one ending at one getting ready to start. So you can just click on the group you want, and then there's a little calendar there again. So it shows you workout shakes. It shows you all your detail. So y'all can just get in there and play with it. So again, go to the home screen and it shows you the latest post. And these two here are kind of what you want to see. So you know if they're colored, then you've logged them. If you're uncertain, like you hit that plus sign, it'll show you here as well. Now say you did say like today I logged my workout, but I didn't share it with a group and I want to share it with a group. You just go down there and change that little toggle there, or vice versa. So I just want to make sure everybody's clear with how to work the app. If you have any questions or anything on the app or on the computer, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer anything you need, either in a group setting like this, or I can get on there and just do a little quick video, or you know, just even a little text or whatever. I try to talk. But I know sometimes seeing it's a little easier because I know some of y'all have had some issues. So if you have any questions or anything, just please let me know. I'll be happy to help you any way I can. Y'all have a good day.